Hi everyone, I'm Kyle Bates with K-Tec Earth Movers, and today we've moved a new K-Tec 1237 ADT scraper to a new site location and thought it would be a good time to do a tutorial video on best practices on how to mount your K-Tec scraper on the back of an A40G Volvo rock truck. So we're at the front of the scraper unit now. We've got the unit unloaded from the trailer. The scraper should be resting on the provided 6x6 blocks, and the transport stand should be supporting the neck of the scraper. Both the accumulator valve and our transport valve are closed and locked. And most importantly, we've blocked the rear tires of the scraper to ensure it doesn't roll or get out of control. We're going to make sure that our ball hitch plate is sitting in the correct position to be connected to the truck. And we're now going to back up the Volvo rock truck as close as possible to the front of the hitch. Now that we have the rock truck backed up to the scraper with the engine shut off, we're going to open up the red lock pin to accept the scraper. We now hook up our hydraulic lines. First we'll connect the two smaller lines, one being the case drain and the smaller of the two being the grease zerk line for the ball hitch. And with the hydraulic hoses connected, be sure to use a hammer to seat the butterfly fittings. And next we'll make our electrical connection. And make sure your electrical connection is locked in place. And now we'll press the joystick forward to raise the scraper to align the hitch to be able to back the truck back into place. And now we'll lower the hitch into position. And with the hitch in place, we now lock the red hitch pin. And now we'll lift the hose hanger into the working position. With the scraper lifted up, we'll put the transport stands into the folded position. And with all of our connections made, we'll open the cushion ride valve. And for our last step, we'll remove our tire wheel safety chock blocks. And with all these steps complete, you're ready to play in the dirt. Please check out our website, ktec.com.